Hi, this is Busy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add music to Instagram posts. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You may already know how to add music to your reels and stories, but did you know that you can now add music to your Instagram post? Instagram recently announced the feature which gives brands and creators one more way to engage their followers. Whether you want to share your favorite songs or create a specific vibe for your photo, adding music will make your Instagram feed post that much better. So, how to do it? How if you want to add music to your Instagram post? So, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can tap on a plus icon here. Choose photo that you want to share. As example, I will choose this photo. Now you can tap on next. You can choose the filter that you want to use for your photo. After that, you can tap on next. Here, you can see, you can write your caption. You can see there is an option, there is a feature, add music. You can tap on that. You can tap on music. You can choose song that you want to add to your post. You can search from here the song that you want to use. As example, I will use this sound or music. You can select the music, start from where. You can tap on the upper right corner here. Now it's done, you can share. You can tap on share. Just wait. Now here's your Instagram post has music. Here's the song. So anyone who sees this post, they can see the song that you add to your post here. They can tap on the song like this. So that is how to add song to your Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.